Hi guys, my name is Diana. I'm from Portugal. I'm here in Europe, okay? And I was having an issue with Twilio Number connection to my bot. It was not working very well. So Ryan suggests to use a SIP connection in Audiocodes using that Twilio Number. And this video is to show you how to do it. Is uh, a little bit long, so I hope you guys follow my English. If you have any question, you can leave that in the comments. Okay, so let's go. First, you have to get your Twilio number. So you come here to Twilio, phone numbers, message by a number. I already have mine. You can go and select your country and by your number. Okay. For me, it's Portugal. You can come here and buy a number. Then you go to Audiocodes, Live Hub, and create your account. Then to get your SIP connection, you must have subscribe any plan. You can go for the cheap one and get some money in there, and then the SIP connection will be here. So you just add a new SIP connection, and you will follow. I will leave a link there in the description, and you will follow all these uh, these steps here. Okay, using the documentation from Audiocodes, you have three steps. You are creating your audio code SIP connection. Then you'll have to create an Twilio SIP trunk, and then you will go and connect the two. You will end up with something like this. But if you have any question with those steps, I can make a video on that step by step to help you guys if you need. So if I can do it, I hope you can do it too. It's very well explained here. Just follow steps as they show you here, okay? Then you can go to here to Twilio and check this everything is okay. My number is already here with the SIP trunk connection to Audiocodes. So I think it's good. Then you come to Audiocodes and you will have something like this with your Twilio SIP trunk, okay? And you have something like this. It has to be green. And then the next step is create your Voicebot. Here you will link Audiocodes to CBB. And then you create a new Voicebot, Audiocodes, go next, bot details, give yourself your bot a number, bot tests, something like that. Here, your bot URL, you can have that link here in Chatbot Builder documentation. Okay, you can go here in documentation, find for audio codes and this here, voice automation with Audiocodes. You can scroll down and here you will have your bot URL. You copy this, okay? And then you paste it somewhere and you will have to put here your account ID in your account key from CBB. You go to settings in your account and here in general tab, you go down here and you get your audio ID, your account ID and copy that. Go to the link and you replace here this with your account ID and then the same thing to your account key. Okay, copy and then paste this, not this, not this one. Okay, now you have your URL. Copy this, go to Audiocodes and put this here. Oh, sorry. Oh, shit. Copy and paste. and then you can validate. So the token you must put here 123, whatever is not important. I choose Europe, it's my region. Okay, you have USA or Europe. In my case, and is Europe. So and then you validate. I'm not going to validate because I have already my bot, so I'm not duplicating information. But then you validate, and a green light, a green text will appear, making the connection to CBB, and then you save it. Okay, I'm not doing that in the voice settings. I'm not doing this, but I will show you the voice settings next. So I'm closing this, and then in bot settings is something like this. You will choose Google TTS and STT. You will choose whatever you want to use your voice. I'm using language Portuguese, and I'm using this voice, and you can change this later if you want. The barge in option, you can activate it, is to interrupt the bot if he's talking for a long text, and you can interrupt him. Okay, if you want, you can put this on or off, and this too. This I think is the sound you make when you click a number during the call, and it makes a sound. I think is this option. Okay, I've activated this too, and then you save it, and you're ready. Your voice bot. Then you have to make the routing. I will show you. You create a key here in add new routing rule, and I will show you mine. You have to choose Europe. In my case, is Europe. Okay, you can have yours in Europe. It's true. Okay, a call, and then I will choose. I want to choose the SIP connection from Twilio, and he will route to the Ikibot. Is what I want. I want the anyone to call the number on Twilio and send to my bot. And you can turn on the live hub recording to save the conversations. And that's it. Okay, and you save it. And then you do exactly the same thing with the transfer type. Okay, choose transfer, choose Iki, sorry, your SIP connection, and your what? Turn on the live hub recording and update. Okay, yes, and that's it. Now you try to call your number, your Twilio number, and check if everything is okay. Okay, guys, and one thing last, I want to remember you is to go to your CBB account, go to channels, go to voice, connect, and then you put not in Twilio, but in Audiocodes. You put your number here and connect. Nothing else. It will be working. I hope so. And then you have to come here again to channels, to voice, and then will be here the message, welcome message you have to choose. If you not choose one, he will not speak to you, and you have to choose one. Okay, if you have already, you can create one special for the voice bot, or you can use one here, but I suggest you create a new one specifically for the voice bot. Okay, so I hope I help you with this. If I'm not clear enough, I'm sorry. But any questions you have, guys, you can leave in the comments, or you can DM me in the Discord channel. So I hope this helped you guys. Okay, bye bye. Stay safe.